Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Hey there, chocolate lovers. In this video, I will show how to make chocolate nuts at home. This simple method will help you create a delicious treat with minimal effort. First, let's get everything ready. You'll need about 2 cups of your favorite nuts, like almonds or pecans, and around 8 ounces of good quality chocolate. Don't forget a baking sheet lined with parchment paper for easy handling. Now let's melt that chocolate. The key is gentle heat to prevent burning. You can use a double boiler, which is a fantastic way to get a smooth melt. Alternatively, if you're using a microwave, heat the chocolate in 30-second bursts, stirring thoroughly after each interval. Keep going until it's beautifully smooth and glossy, with no lumps in sight. This step is crucial for a perfect coating. With your chocolate perfectly melted, it's time for the fun part. Carefully add your 2 cups of nuts into the warm, melted chocolate. Grab a spatula and gently stir, making sure every single nut gets a generous, even coating. You want them completely submerged in that deliciousness. Once they are all coated, spread the chocolate-covered nuts onto your parchment-lined baking sheet in a single, even layer. This helps them set individually. Almost done? Now, we need to let our chocolate nuts set. You can leave them at room temperature for about 1 hour, or if you're eager to enjoy them sooner, pop the baking sheet into the refrigerator for just 15 minutes. Once they're firm, break them apart and store your homemade chocolate nuts in an airtight container. They'll stay fresh and delicious for up to 2 weeks if they last that long.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.